Hello boys, hope everyone's doing well. Before we start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment man. I hope the quality is good. I am going to get some new software. I'm also going to update my PC because I've got an all-in-one PC right now and I can't lie, it's not the best. I've been trading for 12 months, I'm profitable. So yeah man, let's get in this. Let's just get right in. So this was from Wednesday. This is the trade that I took to pass my evaluation. So yeah man, let's get into this. I'll get into why it's here. We've been following the trend line, catching trades, bullish trades here and there to pass phase one. But yeah man, so we see on Tuesday, price came down to its fair value, but then we ended up closing high, hammer. Most likely what we're going to see after that, we're going to see a bullish extension to take liquidity here, and that's exactly what we do. I had that in mind when I was looking at the daily, so I'm only looking for bullish trades. You shouldn't be looking for bearish trades here. We're in a bullish market, only look for bullish trades. That's exactly what I see. I see this, and then I start scaling down. I'd normally have something on the screen, but it's not on there for some reason. Alright, I'll explain this GAN box. So, this is basically how I find my daily bias. Using the GAN box, let's take this off. So, it's measuring discount and premium. So, let me show you guys an example of this real quick. So, say market's running bullishly, like this, and price is in a premium. We're not going to keep going higher. We could, but no. Banks, so if we're in a premium market like this, what do banks want to do? They want to sell into discount, and that's exactly what they'll do. You see how this arrow plays out here. Look on that right of that chart. You know when we had the bullish extension where I took my trade, what happened after that? We came back into discount, didn't we? What are banks going to do when they're in a discounted market? Just like when we were in a buying market and banks are selling into discount so they can buy up again. As soon as we bring this discount lower, they're gonna buy up again. I hope I'm not making this complicated because it's pretty simple. Price is bullish. In premium, we need to come to discount so banks and institutions can buy at a discounted price. They don't want to buy in premiums, they want to buy a discounted price. So now you see where I get this ideology. From the high to the low, it's got to be on the 4 hour as well. That's where it makes most sense. That's where it looks the cleanest. Because the daily, it's just a bit high. We're not trading on that higher scale. The 4 hour, that's nice. We can see that we've got a few candles in the day that we can trade off, that we can make a bias off. So just like I showed you, price is pushing high and we're in premium. So where's price going to go next? It comes into discount and then it continues. Premium, push into discount, and you can still short this trade. If we zoom in and we get the equal highs, we're in premium here. We know that we have to come back down to discount. Even trading that is 40 pips. If you got a better entry a bit higher, you can catch 50 pips there. Just trade to discount with the sweep or whatever. But we're in discount now. We know that we're in a bullish market. We're in discount. We're also in an imbalance. Where's this price going to go? We've got equal highs. It's going to fly to the upside, man. And I wish would have gotten this trade a lot earlier because it's such a clean setup. Getting in here when we start pushing bullishly in discount, that's 90 pips right there. That's not a hard trade. Look at that. Also, why do you think this candle's so big? Because institutions are buying from these areas. We're in discount. Of course we're going to keep going up. Because big banks, they control these markets. not people. Banks control these markets. So anyways, after we figure out that we're in discount for price to buy, we see that when Wednesday opened, after Tuesday, we see this imbalance get filled twice. Small candles, not pushing with a lot of pressure, and then we start continuing and we break above the highs. That is so much higher confidence as well, and it's just helping our buyers. We're coming down into the lower time frames, doing our top down analysis. We see we had a 4-hour breaker structure, also the same on the hourly, looks nice and clean. Retest the fair value, the imbalance, and then continue hits above these highs. Takes liquidity. Highs there. Highs there. What does the trade do? It runs through these highs. This is a beautiful place to enter. This was 6 o'clock in the morning though, so early bird gets the worm. That's just a fact, isn't it? I woke up a little late, but I still caught 50 pips out of this trade. It's also good to sometimes have a little bit of text on your screen just to remind yourself why this trade is such a clean setup. Especially if you're a bit of a forgetful person, maybe. But yeah, still zooming down, I'm seeing this hammer candle get created. I'm seeing the breaker structure. I'm seeing the 4-hour discount and then push back into premium, break structure. Seeing highs get broken. Where we're going to go, we're just going to keep running bullishly in a hugely bullish market. Look at how clean this is. Going on to the 1 minute. Coming down to our lowest time frame. Look how clean this setup is. After we identify discount, price is pushing, and then London session opens. Where's London session going to go? It's just going to extend, boys. Look how nice this is. And by the way, you always draw out the premium discount from the 4-hour, because obviously we're going to break out of this discount area again, so after the day closes you're going to have to draw it out again, and then same goes for the next day, and you keep doing that in the 4-hour to find your daily bias. But as you see, we have the sweep low here. Price sweeps liquidity low. Break structure high in the lower time frames. Lower time frames matching up with the higher time frames, giving us extra confidence for that buy. We retest the fair value gap and then we continue it. And as soon as we continue it, boom, I'm getting that entry. Look what happens. Price flies. I held this all the way to TP. And you can also add another lot size here, man. See this 3 equal lot get created. That's a perfect place to add another lot. Boom, we keep going. And this seems so simple, but a lot of people can't do this. I'm trying to simplify this as much as I possibly can, because that's exactly what trading should be like. Trading should be simplified. People just overcomplicate this, man, way too much. Here as well. 4-hour. If we're looking for our daily bias here, high, low, what happens again? Like I said before, price pushes to premium. You can sell here into the discount. You retrace again. Boom. And this is exactly how you find daily bias, man, every time. From the highest high to the lowest low that's been created over that day or the last couple of days. Like we see here, from the high to the low, discount, boom, flies to the upside. Here, high, low, price goes premium, discount, boom. And like low to this high, Price comes in this discount, but we don't go higher. Price is just sitting in a bit of a weird area right now, because we're at we did break below this last low and take that fair value gap low. We also took these lows, but we've still got our trend line. I know I've already done the trade recap, but I just want to see if I can drop a few more gems right now. I hope this video has been good value-wise. So we see market's in a bit of a weird place right now. That's a swing low. When price breaks this low, we've had a market structure shift. Like, inverse fair value gap gets created here as well. And we retrace into this and continue low, breaking structure here as well. So if price can come low, retrace, and what's going to happen? Get your gun box out. High to the low. This low. Price came to premium. From discount. Premium. Discount. One sec. So this is premium. Comes to discount and pushes back into premium for the sell. Price sells off. See that push back higher, and then a big short from this discounted area. Or price, because price isn't going to come down, it isn't going to keep continuing here, man. We don't have the liquidity. Price needs to push higher. It doesn't have to push this high. But you get what I mean. So yeah, man. Go over what I've said a few times. Really take things in. I hope it provided value. And yeah, man, do your research. Keep learning. Don't quit. You're going to get to where you want to be eventually, man. I kind of get this uncomfortable feeling sometimes. I can't really explain it. It's like, if I'm kind of feeling a little bit confused on where the market's going to go, I start feeling like I've lost the control of the market. And that's something I need to work on. Even though I'm catching these nice winning trades, so that's something I need to work on personally. You need to focus on building good habits, man. Good habits, not the money. Fuck the money. The money doesn't matter. When you start focusing on building good habits instead of money, the money is going to come, bro. Focus on your mind. Focus on your psychology. Focus on your strategy, your risk management. And then the money's going to come. I believe in you all, boys. Drop a sub, drop a like, drop a comment if you want me to go over some of the things, man. Hope you got some value from this video. Keep pushing. We're coming to the top. I'm only 12 months in, and look at the value that I've already got to bring. Imagine what it's going to be like in a year or two. It's going to be crazy. Much love, boys. Stay safe.